Hello friends, I welcome you all in this new video. Today I am sharing the dog threads reviews with you. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from here, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer to this question: is dog threads legit or scam? If you have ever experienced any fraud over this website, then watch the video till the end. I will share the way to get your money back. Now coming back to the website, Dog Threads is an e-store that is selling a wide collection of dogs' clothes and related accessories. These are the products you can see right here they are dealing with. The products are available at a reasonable price and it is having an user friendly interface. Now let us have a look on the payment structure of the website. So these are different pictures of dogs in their product and they accept GPay, PayPal, Amazon Pay, Visa card, MasterCards and a lot more online facilities. Apart from that, we must check the shipping details of the company. So for that we have to click here and now we can look at the shipping details that take 3 to 8 business days for free shipment of your product. This is what you also need to know about the international shipping. Guys, before going any further, I request you all to like this video, share it and subscribe to our YouTube channel as this will help us to provide more such revealing videos for you. Now let us discuss some important points to decide whether this site is legit or scam. Guys, the website has a genuine HTTPS connection, which is a great sign. Coming to the age of the website, it was registered on 8th October 2014, which means it is 2130 days old. This is a great sign. Now coming to the About Us page of this website, let us know about it more. So this is their About Us page and they are talking about their unique selling points over here and the content seems quite authentic. Apart from that, we must check the contact details of the site. So for that we have to go back to the customer care. Here we will find some contact information about the site. This is their address. You can track the order from here and they are also providing a valid email address which matches to their domain name, which is quite good. Now coming back to their social media presence, guys, this website is having active social media handles, which is a good sign, although the accounts do not have much followers. They are having their accounts on Facebook and Instagram. Talking about the return policies, we have to check their policies regarding return services. So for that we have to go a little down over here. These are the return details you must know. They are providing 30 days return policy. Guys, if you have any experience with his return and refund policy, please let us know in the comment section. Coming back to the customer reviews, you will find a lot of happy customer reviews on the site and we also find some mixed customer reviews about the product and the website on the internet. Talking about the content quality of the website is providing ample amount of real content, product description, along with perfect images. Now, providing the final verdict, I will recommend this site to you as there is nothing suspicious that would be harmful for you. This is legit site, but they are not having much traffic. Now it is completely your choice to make a smart move for shopping. As I also mentioned in the starting that I will let you know the way of getting your money back from the site. You can get your money back by just clicking on the links provided in the description area. Do comment your thoughts about this video. Guys, we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe. Thank you for watching this video.